Boomer Shine, and today we're taking a look at a ranch-style home up in Desert Park Estates. As you can see behind me, the gorgeous mountains, the San Jacinto Mountains. It's a beautiful day here in Palm Springs, and so let's take a look at this home. It was built in 1979, and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a beautiful pool in back, move-in ready. So let's take a look. Here's the outside of the house. It's got a lot of landscaping, but it's a ranch-style home with some breezeway brick. Gives it a little bit of a mid-century flair. And again, you can see part of the neighborhood here. We are on the north side of Palm Springs, and Desert Park Estate has a lot of mid-century homes, but this one is really more of a ranch style with a little bit of flair of mid-century feel to it. So we're inside, and what's wonderful is we have probably was a closet that made it into an office, which is kind of nice. This definitely has been a vacation rental, and it's on the market for sale. So closet here as you come in. Floors are a wood vinyl type flooring. And the price on the home is $1,490,000. Kitchen here. Stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, quartz countertops, beautiful lighting. It's been very nicely appointed. Dining area as well as living area, open concept here. And they've added some molding on the wall there with the TV, which gives it a cool vibe. And then back here, I'll take a peek at this in a few minutes, but gorgeous backyard, very private. This faces east, but you've got a beautiful area for dining outdoors, as well as a place to barbecue and enjoy that gorgeous pool and spa. So this is a little bit of just giving you a preview of what this area, main living area, looks like. So, plenty of room for guests and enjoying, just a weekend, or this would be a perfect second home as well. So we are going to take a look at the first bedroom, which is facing west, and we do have views of the mountains right there. Very nice. And this is rather a large bedroom. There's actually 2 queen beds in this bedroom. Again, most likely this has been a vacation rental, but this could be almost a primary bedroom. It's really big. Closet there. And off of this guest bedroom is this really nice, large guest bathroom. Love this beautiful tile. It has a point design, and it's very nice. The tub in there, and then what we love is being able to access the pool area. And when you need to come in and use the bathroom, it's right off of the pool. Quite spacious. They did a terrazzo type tile on the floor. then a white modern vanity as well in here. So we have second guest bedroom, which also faces west. And this is a nice size as well. Very cozy, as you can see. And, you know, there's a lot of vegetation in front, but there's definitely mountain views there, and it's hard to see, but trust me, they're great views. And then we have another closet that is very deep and has a lot of storage space in it as well. So that must be an owner's closet right there. This is the primary suite. So you have access to the pool right off the bedroom, which everybody wants. And also love that fire pit back there in the very back. So here's a good look at the master bedroom. Again, you have two closets with plenty of storage in here. Also the primary bedroom bathroom, which is a shower. Love that orange tile. Very fun. And a modern vanity, a nice hexagon white tile on the floor. It's really great. So we have this hallway that separates the two living spaces in terms of bedrooms, and also, you know, where you're going to primarily be in the living area with dining. And then we have this gorgeous backyard here, and there's a little portico here that is great for dining, for a dining table. It has a PebbleTech pool. What is PebbleTech? PebbleTech is actually a little bit of a harder finish than plaster. It actually has pebbles, you know, like to it, that actually makes it more durable. Nice sized pool, great loungers, and then you have this wonderful outdoor kitchen here. This is the back house, so you've got some great mountain views as well. And a built-in fire pit for those cool evenings, which we are approaching. It is almost November, so our evenings are getting cooler and definitely can use that. It's a lot of fun. And then a beautiful spot as well. So very, very private back here. The grass is probably being reseeded right now. It looks like they've actually shaved it off, so that will be nice and green probably in the next week or so. And again, of the aesthetics, and also just move-in ready. Really wouldn't have to do anything, just personalize it for yourself. The pool definitely has, it's really a nice size. Has a nice feel to it. You know, it's a rectangle. You could definitely do some laps in there as well. Back inside. take a quick peek at what we have back over here. So we've got pantry here, and we also have a laundry room, and then that's access to the service area on the side yard. And then this is a nice surprise. So this is not untypical in Palm Springs to turn the garage into a extra room for, you know, a game room, old school rec room. Obviously this has got a gym, plus using it as a game room as well, which is very cool. You have a split system up there, which you would need, but right now it's so comfortable this time of the year. Pool table. So, I mean, easily this could be a 2-car garage again, but this is also a lot of fun to be able to use this for other purposes as well. So let's take a look at it from this side. There. Isn't that fun? Great way to enjoy your weekend. But you need to be out by the pool during the day, so this is an evening thing for me. So, but yeah, I think this is a fun extra bonus to be able to have this in here. I know that they're going to sell the furnishing separate from the sale of the home, so that would be a bill of sale out of escrow. But this is great. I love it. It's amazing. Thank you so much for taking a look at this home in Desert Park Estates. I look forward to sharing more videos with you very soon.